Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to kafycrypto YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, we are going to be talking about some interesting businesses that you can actually venture into right now with ChatGPT without having the prior knowledge of these businesses, right? Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you the smart businesses that you can start and make money from home, from anywhere in the world with ChatGPT. So a lot of people have been making thousands of dollars from ChatGPT, and that is what I will be showing you also how you can be like the smart ones who are utilizing ChatGPT to make money and not complaining that AI is here to take their job, right? Yeah. So stay tuned to the end of this video. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to watch and learn from it. So let's jump in right into it. So these are the businesses you can actually start with ChatGPT, and we are going to be taking them one after the other, right? Yeah. So the first one on our list is Amazon KDP. Now you might be wondering, what can I actually use ChatGPT to do on Amazon KDP? Now this is it. Amazon KDP has to do with you publishing books on Amazon to actually get paid when people purchase your books. Now, previously, people think that this idea is actually only for born writers who know how to speak and write very well, right? But then ChatGPT is coming to help you actually become a writer without actually being the sole writer of that book, right? Yeah. So what this means is that you just have to go to Amazon, make your research, get a book topic that you want to write about, then you go to ChatGPT. We are still going to go to ChatGPT. Then you insert the title of the book and you just tell ChatGPT to write you a book on XYZ topic. And you are going to sit down, relax with your coffee, and ChatGPT do the work for you. Is that simple? Right? Yes, it's that simple. So the next one we have is ebook writing. Just almost the same thing with Amazon KDP, right? You can, depending, some Amazon KDP publishers are not actually the ones writing the book that they publish, right? Sometimes they go to Upwork, they go to Fiverr, they outsource the writing to writers who do it for them. So now what this means is that you can actually write for those who do Amazon KDP without doing Amazon KDP or without even knowing how to write. Sounds crazy, right? But it is very possible, and that is what ChatGPT is bringing for us. It is not here to take over our job. It is here to help us to, you know, create more time for ourselves and even make more money and achieve more things faster, right? Yeah. So the next one on our list is copywriting services. So now let's take for instance that probably you've been trying to learn about copywriting. You've been trying to write great copies, but it's not doing it for you. Now, ChatGPT is here. What you just need to do is to tell it to write a sales copy for you on you mentioned the topic, and you're going to sit down and relax and watch ChatGPT do the work for you. Interestingly, I mean, it's going to write you a copy that, sometimes copywriters will tell you that if you finish writing a copy and you read it and you don't feel like buying that stuff, then it means that your copy is not good. If a ChatGPT will write you a copy that when you finish reading it, you'll be looking for what? You'll be looking for that product to buy it. I mean, it works like magic, right? This is not an exaggeration. This is something that I have tried and it's working perfectly well. If you're getting value, let me know in the comment section. I want to be sure that I am not wasting your time, right? Yeah. Then the next one on our list is book summaries. Now let's go to ChatGPT for this one. Okay, so this is my ChatGPT, and I want to tell it to write me a book summary, right? So I'm going to use The Richest Man in Babylon. So I'll say Sorry, write me a summary of the richest man in Babylon. Sorry, in Babylon. And it's going to give us our results. Is even going to tell you the author of the book. We didn't tell it the author of the book, right? But that is what it's going to help you do. Now you're asking. Now, another interesting idea is this: people actually make money selling summaries of book in Amazon KDP. So what this means is that you can actually use ChatGPT to do this, generate responses, and give it, summarize it, format the book, and publish it on Amazon KDP. And we are going to start making money from it, right? So we have another one: write brand story. So we're going to say, ChatGPT, write us a brand story. Write us a success story of a healthcare brand. Write us a success story of a healthcare brand. So, I mean, you can use GPT for literally a lot of things. Now, the last one we have on our list is using ChatGPT to write press release, or to write press release about a product launch or whatever you can think about. You can see it's still writing us the story there, but then we are not going to wait for it. So we're going to say, write us a press release of a product of our new rechargeable fan. Okay, so let me just copy my question set and refresh this and put it again. Once you encounter an error like this, all you just have to do is to refresh your ChatGPT tab and put the question again, and it's going to bring out the results. So while we wait for it to load, if you are getting value, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so it's giving you have to put the city. I mean, this is amazing, right? Yes, it is. It is. And even as a software developer, you can use ChatGPT to write codes. But then I would advise you, don't rely 80% on the codes. You have to really be a developer to use ChatGPT to actually write codes. So try as much as possible to have a little knowledge, at least a background knowledge of the particular field you want to use ChatGPT to practice, right? you can see they're still writing us on our press release. This is something that normally it's telling us how many hours it can last. You know, when I said you can actually use this to even write your okay, that is done. You can use this ChatGPT to start up a full-blown copywriting agency. You can even use it to also start a social media management agency, but then you have to understand social media analytics, because most times you would have to give your customers analytics of every month from what you've done on your social media handles that you're managing for them, like how many new followers, where majority of their followers, majority of the engagement is coming from, type of content that are performing really well. Actually, is my field, right? Yeah. So let's go back to our slide. So, like I said before, these are some sweet business ideas that you can actually use as GPT to start today and start making money from it in the next 1 to 2 months to come, right? So, let's have a recap. The first one on our list is Amazon KDP. The second one is ebook writing. The third one is email copywriting services. The fourth one is book summaries. We'll have brand stories, and we'll have also press release. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to share this video for others to benefit from it. Till I come your way again, my name is Okafume Cynthia, and I'm the founder of kaffycrypto, a crypto media and marketing agency. So see you on our channel next time. If you have a crypto brand that you want to promote, you can do well to reach out to us via our contact information that you can see in the description. So see you next. Bye.